Hi guys, my name is Hamidat and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are just seeing this, technically you are a new viewer, so I'll kindly entreat you guys to please subscribe down below. On this channel we are going to be talking about like creative photography. We are going to be reviewing phones, laptops, cameras and gadgets, and basically both old and new technology. So if you have not subscribed at this point, kindly subscribe down below and then we'll get right into it. Welcome back guys. So as you can see here, there's a lot of interesting stuff going on here. So with me here today I have the Nikon D3200. This camera is basically like an entry-level camera for new photographers. Probably want to learn like camera settings and stuff like that. It's okay, but it's not that great. It's very old. I think it was released like 8 years ago. So I'm going to be taking us through some of the features of this camera. So the D3200 it has a good image quality, just like, and it has 24 megapixel. Here we have the lens. This lens is 18 to 55 mm. Here we have like the input outlets, the mic, the AV out, the HDMI, and we have the GPS port. And by this side, this is where we have our SD card, input our SD card, and we have the battery underneath. So here we have inbuilt flashlight and a mount for external speed lights, and also it has like a 3-inch LCD screen and an optical viewfinder. The LCD screen is not screen touch, it's just an LCD screen. Basically that is all there is concerning the physical features of this camera. So also it is made of plastic, so it's not good for like when it's raining and you want to shoot or something like that. You can't really use this camera for it, or you need to like wrap it up or something. But apart from that, it feels like good on the hand, like it's quite light compared to like other cameras and stuff. And also moving on to the video capabilities of this camera. So this camera shoots at 1080p, it shoots 30 frames per second or 24 frames per second, and at 720p it shoots 60 frames per second. People that like in the photography and stuff, you know what frames per second mean, so I don't want to bore you with that detail. So with me here I have the Nikon 50mm lens, and this lens is very great when you combine this with the camera, of course. So this lens is very good for shooting portraits, and in fact when I started playing with cameras, I started with this D3200 and I was so mesmerized. I thought, oh, this was it. Then I used this lens and then I trashed this one. So this lens is very great for portrait images. So next week, hopefully, or next time you see me here, we'll be comparing these lenses with their image qualities, and also we'll try to see if we can get the Nikon D3300. It will release immediately after this, so we can do a comparison. If you don't get the Nikon D3300, you get the Nikon D5300 to do a comparison, so you guys can understand the difference in the image qualities, the video qualities, and also you'll be able to make decisions based on like our experiments. So on that note, I think we are going to wrap up this session and we'll see you guys next time. So also guys, please, if you have come this far, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and missed something. This is the charger. This is the charger of the battery of the camera. There's nothing special about it. It's just a charger. So probably that's why I missed it. So guys, once again, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and you can turn on your post notification also, so that you can know when next to drop an amazing video like this one. So see you guys next time. Ciao.